guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, my name is Nika. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, sis. Mahala says hi too. Nice to meet you and welcome to my channel. My name is Nika. I'm not sure if I already said that, but yeah. So if you'd like to join the family, please go ahead and click that red subscription button that will be, I think, here. Yes, go ahead and click that along with the post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So as you guys can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing a try-on haul, an affordable try-on haul or affordable lookbook, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to be putting on clothes that I bought, okay? Anyways, yes guys, I'm going to be doing a try-on haul. So if you guys would like to see the looks, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe, please. I'm actually begging you guys to subscribe because a lot of you guys wanna come, wanna look, wanna subscribe. I don't know what that's for. And then you come back again, you look, you not subscribe. You come back again one next time, you're looking. So I guess you guys get the gist. If you guys are coming back, that means you guys like something that you see, or you're enjoying something, or maybe you not just don't like one of the see, but you not just want to fast. But if you not go fast, just subscribe to me, okay? Anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, many of you may know that yellow. If you guys watched my Q&A with my mom, you guys would know that yellow, this color you saw, is my favorite color. I just love the way it looks on my skin tone. It just shows your girl off, okay? So first thing is this floral yellow dress. Hope you guys are seeing it. Yes, and I paired it with this shoe that I got from Old Navy. It's a nice little casual outfit. I can put it on, dress it up to go to the supermarket if I need to, or maybe just to go have a little drink with my girl. I could go have brunch or whatever with confidence. We have that coming up. Yeah, we have a brunch date. My mom said I'm rich, I'm go carry out. So yeah, I can put this on to go out. It's just like a nice little casual outfit. A lot of my outfits are casual because I don't really go anywhere. I'm home most of the time, so yeah. But yeah, this is the fit, guys. And I'll put the prices for everything on the screen. And this dress, I got it from a store that we have here in Canada. Wow. I got this from a store that we have here in Canada called Stitches, where everything is $10 or less. So that's where I bought mine, from the Stitches outlet. And I really love the way this looks. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one is your favorite. And let's continue to the next look. So guys, this is dress number 2. It's another mustard dress, or another yellow dress. I'm wearing it with the same mustard shoe that I got from Old Navy. And as I said, I'll put the prices on the screen. But this is also from Stitches. I paid $10 for it and it looks real good. It's another casual dress that I can wear to the supermarket or just to go chill with my girl, have a little lunch or whatnot. But yeah, it's a look. It's definitely a look. Makes my bum look real good, if you ask me. Yeah, so this is another dress. I paid $10 for it. I'm holding this up because it keeps sliding down and showing my brassiere, and we know some people, oh, your brother shoe, oh god, blah 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 blah. I know the end of the word, but yeah, my brother shoe, so I'm pulling it up. But yeah, this is a look. I love the piece that comes across like that. So yeah, I really love this look. Let's give you a 360. So yeah, let's get into the other look, shall we, darling? Next we have this cute little fit. We have this black bodysuit paired with black striped pants, and I'm pairing it with my black Guess flats. So it's a flats that I got from Guess. And yeah, this is another look. This can be worn to maybe like a backyard barbecue or something, but your girl gonna show up looking fine. But yeah, this is another look, guys. So in total, this suit was $15, $5 for this, and $10 for the pants, and I got both from Stitches. And as I said, I got my shoe from Guess. But yeah, this is another look. Let's give you guys a 360. Another 360 the other way. But yeah, guys, this is the look. I really like this. I really like it. It's just classic and simple. Was I in focus? God, I hope I was. Anyways, yes, guys, this is look number 3. How are you guys liking it? I really love these pants. Make my booty look good again without even poking. It makes my booty look good. But yeah, this is look number 3. Let's get into the next look. You still watching? Subscribe yet? That don't look good. Subscribe. So guys, here we are with look number 4. This is another striped dress that I got from Stitches. I got it in a medium. I should have gotten it in a small because it's kind of too big. But yeah, this is another dress, and I'm pairing it with my kegs, white kegs that I got from Shoetown. So yeah, this is look number 4. It can be another casual look. All my looks are casual, as I say. And I don't know why I keep saying, you can wear this to the supermarket, or you can wear this where, you can wear this. I'm not wearing it there. I'm a sweatpants kind of girl, but if I like have to go somewhere very casual, like say, let's say somebody invite me to a birthday party in the park or something, then I have these to wear. So yeah, this is another little casual look. I really like it. Hope you guys like it too. And I said I'm pairing it with my tags. So yeah, this is look number 4, guys. Let's get on into the next look, shall we, darling? So we are back with the 5th look. It is this top here and these jeans, and I'm pairing it with jeans, little jean shoe that I got at Payless before it shut down. I don't know if it's worldwide, but I know all the Paylesses where I live or in Canada are closed. So yeah, I got this in Payless before it closed, and I got this little top here. I think I paid $3 for this top, if I'm not lie. $3, and these jeans are $10. I got it from Stitches, just the same, the $10 or less store. So yeah, this is look number, I think number 5. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I'm pairing it with this. And this is how the fit is looking. Let's give you all a 360. Yeah, and this is how this look is looking, guys. Let's get into the next look. Shall we, darling? Let me know if you know which YouTuber says shall we, darling. If you don't know, you're living under a rock stone. Okay? So guys, we're at our final look, which is this suit. I really love it. It's a top and a bottom. Oh, wanna see my skin? YouTube don't flag me. So yeah, this is a 2-piece. It comes with a pants. I'm barefooted because the shoes I want to pair it with is on the 3rd floor downstairs, and I'm not going down there. So yeah, I like this. It's really a nice little I feel Latina. But yeah, this is look number 6. I got this from Stitches. This suit cost me, I think, $20 or $18. But yeah, this is the look, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite down below. But yeah, this is look number 6. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Let me know down below which look was your favorite, and if you still have not subscribed and you watched to the end and you're hearing me say this for the plenty of times that I already have, please go ahead and click that red subscription button that will be down below and join the family. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.